Hi everybody, my name is Matt Elliott and I'm here at Guarantee RV Super Centers here in Junction City, Oregon to show you a great new trailer we just got in. This is a Jayco Jay Feather 23 BHM. Now this is a really unique trailer and I just want to point a couple of things out to you. First of all, Jayco's been around over 50 years and they have a great warranty. They have a 2-year bumper-to-bumper warranty including appliances and everything. We've been selling them for a long time and they're one of my go-to products because when I sell them, people are always happy with them, and that's just all we're really shooting for. This floor plan, you're going to love it. Follow me. So this trailer answers a question that a lot of people have. How do I get everything I need into a small enough space? Because nowadays, when you want slide outs and bunkhouses and queen walk-around beds and all these things, you wind up with a very large trailer. This trailer is quite towable. It's very much a half-ton towable rig. And the first thing that makes it work is right here in the front. Let me show you this. Now, typically, a trailer has a queen walk-around bed in the front, and you don't need a bed until bedtime. But you're taking up this whole big amount of space on a bed. So what they've done is they put a sofa in here. Now with this, I've got a direct angle to the TV set, and there's a social area, and we're going to see it in a minute. This whole dining area over here is a wraparound seat like a sectional sofa, and we've got plenty of room. But now it's bedtime, so all I got to do is flip that down. Now there's storage under here. I want to point out plenty of storage under the couch, and then look what I can do here. Now it's bedtime. I got my bed. Now I could leave this down all the time if I want, but if I want more living space, all I got to do is flop it up, and then I've got my couch and all my open space. I think this is a fantastic use of space in this trailer, and it's changed. This is the one that solves a lot of family disputes about which trailer to get because it gets everything done. Sometimes one person wants a more compact towable rig, the other person wants all the stuff, and this is how to get it all together in one rig. So if you're having a disagreement with your spouse, this might be the one to look at. Now, this is the horseshoe dining area, and you can see the table is down right now because this can be made into another bed. When we take these cushions and fold them across, these little guys in here, that also pops up and makes a regular height table, and it's freestanding, so I can take it outside if I want. You see here, we have the TV and the home theater system, and it does all of the cool tricks. It does Bluetooth and connects to everything. But I've got entertainment and social all going. Now look over here, and we've got a beautiful galley. We've got a nice counter space. And I want to point out, there are a lot of sinks today that are just one big sink. They seem to have become a trend, but I think it's still important to be able to wash and rinse. So this has 2 nice deep basins you can wash and rinse your dishes in. And that's great, and it's real pretty too. Like, it's got a nice glass cabinet door, good storage up there. You've got an oven. Now a lot of times when you're trying to get into a lightweight trailer and be reasonable on weight, you start losing things like ovens and 2-door fridges. You start seeing those little 1-door fridges. This has a nice big 2-door refrigerator, works great right here. And also, let's walk up here. Now this gets cool too. What you see in the back is a bunk bed system. Now typically your bunks go lengthwise and it makes your trailer longer. Why not run the bunks crisscross? They work just the same. So you've got crisscross bunks, that shortens your overall length. And you know what? When your kids aren't in here, you can put stuff in here. And this is the other thing. Kids don't go to sleep unless they have a place to be. So bunk beds are really great to have. And we got some hanging storage here. And then this guy, believe it or not, is another table. This is a picnic table, and they made a space for it so you can have your picnic table with you. And then this is a 2-door trailer. So our step's not down, I'm not going to go out there, but this gives you access to the bathroom and the other sink and everything. So people that need to go to the bathroom when you're camping can run in and out of this door and they don't have to track through the whole trailer. It really helps, especially if you have a lot of people. You realize 2, 4, 6, 8, 6 people. This will sleep 6 people comfortably, and that's pretty impressive. Well, the inside of a Jayco is a beautiful thing. It's got LED lights and it's got everything is very, very nicely done. Let's take a look and see what the outside is like. This has a really nice appearance. This is a smooth side fiberglass trailer and it's very sleek. It's easy to clean, and that's a good thing. And of course it's got some good looking stripes, and it's just got a nice appearance. This has a power tongue jack, so you can run it up and down quite easily. And you'll notice today a lot of trailers have a really raked design to the front. That's what prevents you from having the kind of bed system and headroom that's in this trailer. So this design is up this way, which gives you the ability to do that big Murphy bed in there. It works a lot better. Okay, let's go down here. One thing that's kind of cool, remember I talked about the horseshoe dinette? That's all storage underneath, and we have access to it from here. So I can get to that storage area from indoors or outdoors. If you take a look down here, you see that we have nice alloy wheels. It's also got a hookup for both cable and satellite, so it's all pre-wired for that stuff. And it's got, this is an outside shower. This is a fun little deal I like to talk about. Most trailers, when you want to have electrical, you take the cord and you pull it out of the little box that's inside your trailer. It comes through a hole, and then the cord comes out and you plug it in. The only thing about doing that is it can make a little trail for a mouse to crawl up. They can go up there. So if they like the smell of Fritos and you've got Fritos in your rig, they're going to go up in there. And this one here connects to the outside. There's no hole for anything to go into. So this is more of a mouse-proof deal. I like that a lot. Now, back here, there's a sewer flush. So after I dump out all of my sewage out of my black tank into a dump receptacle, there's always a water supply there, and I can hook a hose to this and I can really clean that out so I don't have any residual problems or odors, and I don't have any services needed later. There's some storage access from the outside back here too that goes under that bunk. And also I want to point out that we have a ladder. Now with a Jayco, you have some really strong construction properties, and one of them is it has a Magnum truss roof, and that's a 3/8 exterior grade tongue and groove plywood roof deck that they test extensively to make sure that it's very, very strong. So they don't have any problem with you going up on your roof. This is important because you might need to go up there to remove debris from your slide top, or you might want to just maintain your roof seals and inspect them yourself. We do that for you for free here at Guarantee once a year if you bring your rig in, but it's really good to be able to access your roof. That's what that'll do for you. The last thing I want to show you is just this cool setup out here. We've got a full power awning. We've got LED lights that go up under there. We've got the outdoor speakers, so that's dynamite. We could set a TV out here and hang it and put the cable and just hang the TV on this mount so you can have outside television. We know that's important. So that's my story about the Jayco Jay Feather 23 BHM. I really like this floor plan, and I know you would too. If you have any questions you'd like to ask, or if you'd like to see it in person, just give me a call. My name's Matt Elliott, and you can reach me at 541-954-8495. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked it. You have a nice day.